Hello everyone, I'm going to explain Web Technology Lab experiment number 6. So, this is the code. This is the code. First exercise to create a digital clock. So, for creating a digital clock, let me explain this code. Here's the code for this. So, this is the header file with the title and the link. This is the script link which has been stored in external, and this is the link for style sheet for styling that display sheet. Then this here we are getting a development. Here I am using this class with using an object from the other code. So this is the link here. For page 1 here I am giving an history link, and for page 2 this the for styling this is the link, and let the link be the question. This means the question 1 digital clock will be explained here. So this for H2 and this for question 3, like that. Then here I am using the scripting language. I am using the function display function, and I am declaring a variable t. After that, this is the main line. Here I am using this. Here I am getting that hours, minutes and seconds from the system time. So you can see the system time as what have been running here. It have been running in 24 hours, you mean railway time. So let me go to the second question. The second is to display the background color, changing of background color. So let me explain the code first. And this is the code what we have used in the last page up to here. And here I am using this class object as container. Then I am displaying that dynamic background in the center of the page. Then this is the scripting language function. Here I am setting a background color. So I am using this function set background color as a name, and here I am declaring a variable as red, blue and green color. So here I am getting this math function. So according to this math function, that code will work on, that background will run on together. So red, blue and green, like that. So here I am merging that 3 of the variable as a single variable. So here I am getting this background as document.getElement by tag name and body of 0.style. So here I am using this background color by this, declaring by the above mentioned color. That's the second experiment. Then third question is so we can see that when you are moving here, you can see that cursor will, you can see the code changing here. So let me explain this. So this is the code has been using from the first experiment. Here I am using division as container. Then I am entering the text. After that I am having an ID as para1 with some size and incrementing size and decrementing size. So this is the main function. This is the thing which makes this content as big as possible by moving the cursor above that. And this is the scripting language. Here I am declaring a variable. By declaring the variable, I am mentioning that para1 with that increment size and decrement size according to that. Then I am declaring the stated function. That function can be called again. Here is the function for incrementing size. Here is the function get document.get element by id para1 and style.font. So I am having an increment size as 50 pixel. When you are moving your cursor to that point, you can see that 50 pixel there. Then function of decrementing the size. So decrementing the size is up to this what we have declared earlier. You can see here what you are declaring as the input, so you can get it to the normal form. Then fourth question, let me show this animation first. You can see the car moving around there. If you are clicking stop, it will come back to the starting point. Let me explain the code first. This is the image of the car, and this is the ID of the car image, and here I am getting the function as start and stop by clicking these two functions, by these two buttons. Then this is the on click, which refers the function on that table. Then this is the scripting language. Here I am declaring an image OPG null and another animate variables, and I am giving that image by the document by declaring that image in that screen page. And this is the image of position which should be relative, and it should be in 0 pixel. And this is the function for moving right, for moving this corner to right side. This is the function. Okay, you can read this function. I'm using this object by paraint of object dot style dot left dot 10 dot px. Okay, this function will get the car into moving right side. You can see this animate dot set time of move command 200. So you can see the 200 millisecond car will move from the right side to the right side. So you can see the stop function also here. Function stop is clear timeout. So by clearing this timeout, the car will return back to the normal function. Then fifth question is book. You can see this here. I am declaring an 5 book by author ABCDE, and you can see this before 1990s book B and C has been published, and before 1980s, after 1980s ABCD has been published. You can see the code. The code is, I am taking this division as container and the name, everything, and here I am getting that span ID book and the span before 1980s and after 1980s. I'm giving ID for both of them, and I am giving ID for this script also. You can see the script variable books. Inside that I am declaring title book A and author book A and the year as 2007. Like that I am declaring for ABCDE up to here. I have declared everything. Then variable I of 0. So by I of 0, while I is less than book dot length to I is less than book dot length, it will execute this following content. So document dot get element by ID book dot inner HTML dot book ID title by book of I. So you can see this following code up to it will execute up to the number fails, up to this condition fails. Then this is the another if else statement followed by while. Then if else statement consists of console.length log of paraint dot year, and you can see that book title and the year. By according to the year, it will show the book title, or otherwise it will show this following content dot inner equal to book of I dot title, and document get element by inner of none. Okay, you can you will see that none of the function has been given there. That's it. Thank you.